Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Gluta Hya. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean and dry. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup or impurities, then pat your face dry with a soft towel. This prepares your skin to fully absorb the product. Next, dispense a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, onto your fingertips. This is usually enough for your entire face and neck. Now, let's apply the serum. Gently pat the Gluta Hya onto your face and neck using upward and outward motions. Avoid any harsh rubbing, as this can irritate your skin. Pay special attention to areas where you desire extra hydration or brightening. Give the serum about 1 to 2 minutes to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to your next skincare product, like a moisturizer. For the best results, incorporate Gluta Hya into your routine twice daily, once in the morning and again in the evening. Consistency is key to seeing noticeable improvements. During your morning routine, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. This protects your skin from sun damage and helps maintain the benefits of the serum. Remember to store your product in a cool, dark place to preserve its efficacy. To maximize your Gluta Hya experience, avoid common pitfalls. Don't overapply. A small amount, just 2 or 3 drops, is highly effective. Using too much won't speed up results and can waste product. Also, avoid applying it to irritated or broken skin, as this could cause discomfort. And for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description. But remember, consistency and proper application are key to achieving radiant skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.